All right, SR Counter Trend had a nice day today in SR Counter Trend 2. We see this nice short trade. You see three short trades in a row. Market's kind of in a channel. The 3 days in a row have been really violent. You can't see this on this chart, but if you're trading Tick Pulse, it's been rough, and I've traded that as well. So the money that I've made on this helped with the losses on Tick Pulse, because Tick Pulse has been chopped quite a bit. Here's some of the trades today. There was one winner and about 3, 4 losers. You see short, long, short. I mean, I'm not seeing 3 days in a row of up 20, down 20, up 20, down 20 in the S&P with ADX this high, and so it's been really challenging, been a surprise. The bulls have just been throwing money at this market. The dip buyers, the asset allocators, they're thinking this is a good place to get in on this market, and that they're calling a bottom. It's worked to do this for the last 10 years, and so I think we have lower to go though, and I think there's quite a bit of interference with the natural trend, which should be down. It shouldn't be so choppy, but it is, and SR Counter Trend 2 is a good way to balance this out. And so SR Counter Trend 2, I showed you that trade, and then SR Counter Trend 2 V2 1M also took this trade. It was short, but the other losses were in Tick Pulse. You saw that, and Mirror lost. The QS strategies lost. The gold time of day strategy lost as well. And so you see those losses. And so overall, we did a little better in our own trading. We cut some of the losses in half by some of the methods that we use based on the equity curve. And so we didn't incur all of these losses. So the 200K portfolio was at equity peaks. And so a little bit of a drawdown today in that. So it's a good place to get in. And I want to show you SR Counter Trend 2 because it's set up to go short again. And NQ did not trade today, but it's set up to go short tomorrow as well. And so if you want to have the opportunity to continue to short these markets, SR Counter Trend 2, if you want to continue to have the opportunity to go long gold, gold did not trade. You see the trade here on Friday. It did not pull back enough today, and so we might have a long today in tomorrow in gold. We could go short tonight in gold and then long tomorrow because those strategies work differently. But those are some of the potential trades coming up where we are. So a bit of a drawdown today after an equity peak, and we cut the losses again. I offer this 200K portfolio. You can lease it or I can trade it for you, and with some discretion to manage this loss, and we were able to cut the losses, make the losses less with our 200K in QS than what was actually in the portfolio. So that's the update for today. Looking forward to tomorrow. October through April is one of my favorite times of the year to trade. There seems to be more activity in the market, and I think that Tick Pulse will eventually. I'm still sticking with it, even though it's been rough for 3 days. I think Tick Pulse will eventually give us the opportunity to really catch some nice moves, either down or up on a big counter trend rally, and that this incredible chop will eventually lend itself to a trend and will catch up somewhat. So update for today. Let me know if you have any questions.